Hello everyone, welcome to Caster Squad. So today I will guide you how you can apply for International University of Applied Sciences for bachelor and master degree scholarships. So before I start my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Let's start the video. So this is the home page of IU University, International University of Applied Sciences, and I will give the link of this website in description. So here you can see the home page. So for apply, just click here, apply now. So here scroll down. So first is study information, and from here select are you applying for bachelor degree or master degree, and from here select the program related to your field. And some programs are only available for study online, and some programs are available for both study online or study on campus. So if you select BA Digital Business, then the program you selected is available on the following study models. Just BA Digital Business available for study online, and the degree will complete in 36 months. And if you study full time, if you study part time, then it will be complete in 48 months and can be extended to 72 months. So if you apply for BA Business Administration, so from here select study online or study on campus. So if you select study online, then 36 months. If you study on campus, then from here start date. These are two campus, so you can select anyone. Next is personal information. So here write your first name, last name, then your phone number, email, date of birth, street number, and postcode, city. Next is background information. Do you have a high school diploma? Yes or no? English level. How comfortable would you feel studying in English? 100%. So select the level of your English language. Next is budget. How much budget do you have to spend on your degree per month? And add voucher code. This is optional, so skip this. Check this option and click here submit. So after clicking the submit button, here you can see congratulations, you are almost done with the application process. We have sent you the link to the study contract and all other information about the start of your studies by email. In case you have more questions, reach out to your personal study advisor anytime. So here upload your documents, and which documents you have to upload: your CV, undergraduate degree certificate, proof of required professional experience. And if you are applying for bachelor degree, then this is not necessary, this is optional. But if you are applying for master degree, then you have to upload your professional experience. Then next is proof of English proficiency. So you have to provide English proficiency certificate, TOEFL or IELTS. So these three documents are necessary to upload for bachelor degree, and if you are applying for master degree, then these four documents you have to upload. Next is assess study contract. If you want to take a look at your study contract and sign it right now, you can simply skip this page and make yourself already familiar with your IU study contract. So if you click here download contract, so happy to have received your application. Now it is your turn to sign your contract. So tick the box to sign. By checking this box, you can sign the contract. So congratulations, your contract is now signed. You don't have to sign it again. Instead, you may download it by clicking the download contract button below. So when you upload your documents, we will do a final checkup of your submitted documents and contact you in case anything is missing, or in case we have further questions, then they will contact with you by email. As soon as all of your submitted documents have been finally checked, we will officially register you and your studies with IU can begin. And when you submit all documents, then you will receive an email. So guys, let's check the email. So guys, I received this email from IU International University. So here sign and download contract. So we already sign and download the contract. What happens next? Your personal student advisor will reach out to you within 48 hours. If your eligibility is confirmed, we will invite you for an admission interview. During the admission interview, your study advisor will guide you through the next step of the application process. This includes things like your motivation to study in Germany and what are the next steps you have to take until you have all the documentation ready for your studies. In case you do not fulfill our admission requirement, we will send you a rejection email. So guys, if you are not eligible for this scholarship, then they will send you the rejection email. Please keep this email with you at all times while you wait to be contacted from our student advisors. Below you will find more information about the documents you have to provide us within the coming days. It might be a good idea to start collection and scanning them in case you have not yet. So in order to check your eligibility, we require the following documents: copy of your high school or university diploma, English certificate must be translated, so your all transcripts must be translated in English, your CV and a copy of your passport, proof of English language skills, letter of motivation and passport size photo. So prepare all these documents as early as possible after submitting the application. You can send your document via email to this email address, or you use the following button to upload your these documents. We are looking forward to meeting you. Best wishes. So guys, hope you understand how you can apply for this scholarship. So just apply for scholarship and wait for next step. They will contact with you within 48 hours. Then they will tell you about next procedure. So hope you guys understand. If you have any questions, then ask me in comment section. I will be happy to answer all your queries. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. See you in another interesting and informative video. Take care. Bye bye.